In front of me is Gigaset GX290, and let me show you how to activate demo mode. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, now find and select system, and here you'll notice developer options. If you cannot find here developer mode, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode in Gigaset GX290 and then smoothly enter it. Now scroll down and here you will notice demo mode, so just mark it, and if you would like to enable demo mode, just click here and then you can smoothly show it by tapping on the switcher. As you can see the difference in the status bar. So that would be all. This is how you can activate demo mode in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.